To get Dash now on DoorDash, start by opening the DoorDash app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, create an account or log in to your existing account. After logging in, enter your delivery address to see the available restaurants in your area. Browse through the list of restaurants and select the one you would like to order from. You can filter by cuisine, rating, or distance to narrow down your options. Once you have selected a restaurant, browse through their menu and add the items you would like to order to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click the checkout button and review your order to ensure everything is correct. If you want to get Dash now, look for the Dash symbol on the checkout page. The Dash symbol indicates that the restaurant offers Dash, which is a faster delivery option. Select the Dash option to get your order delivered quickly. You will be required to pay a small fee for Dash, which will be added to your total bill. Review the total cost, including the Dash fee, and confirm your order. Once you have confirmed your order, DoorDash will start processing it and you will receive updates on the status of your order. To track your order, go to the order tracking page in the app, where you can see the estimated delivery time and the location of the driver. When the driver arrives, you will receive a notification and you can meet them at the door to receive your order. By following these steps, you can get Dash now on DoorDash and enjoy faster delivery of your favorite food. Remember to always review your order carefully before confirming it and to track your order too. Ensure it is delivered on time.